Hello everyone! Today I have a review of another Chinese knife, this time from the Tenable company. It is a sub-brand of the concept company, Tenable Kratos. In the box. Manufacturer's leaflet. A wipe for the knife. And the knife itself. Total length is 20.4 centimeters, blade length is 9.6 centimeters, blade thickness is 4 millimeters. The steel of the blade is NITRO-V. It is a high quality stainless steel, tempered between 58 60 HRC, black finish, flat grind. On the blade you can see the company name, logo and model number T1024A4 and steel NITRO-V. On the other side we have the name of the model, Kratos, and the inscription Ostap design. Open it with a flipper, liner lock. The knife runs on ball bearings. The handle scales are made of G10 in green and black color. Black pocket clip without any motif. In summary, cool knife, very interesting predatory shape of the blade. Do you remember the movie Ice Age, Dawn of the Dinosaurs? The shape of the blade reminded me a bit of the knife, of that weasel with an eye patch, back I guess. The designer of this knife is a Polish, Mr. Ostap, an icon of Polish design, especially appreciated by Chinese manufacturers. I've already mentioned it, but I really feel proud when I see my compatriots' designs on the international stage. It clicks very nice, excellent mechanics, and very good ergonomics. That's all in this review, thanks for watching.